Hi everyone, good afternoon. We are going to make binangkal. Binangkal is in our province. That's like a donut, but it's coated with sesame seed. We have lots of sesame seeds in here in the side, but right now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. So we are going to start 2 cups and 1/2 cup of flour.
Mommy.
So just put. I'm using all-purpose flour. See. Perfect.
Mom, can you move now so I can put my chair?
Okay guys, we have baking powder. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This is good for snacks after or breakfast with coffee. This is fun food, fun bread. Then we have baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're gonna put our sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, there's our sugar. Gumagamit ako ng white sugar. So you just mix that together. And after that, okay guys, we have our evaporated milk. Use evaporated milk. Then we're gonna add our vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And then we're gonna mix them together. And we're gonna add more of milk, the evaporated milk, if we need to. Like for example, this one, we're gonna need more. So that's 2/3 we put. We're gonna add 1/2. Just add half of 1/2 that one, so I don't have to. So you just mix them together until they are combined well. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some 2 tablespoons of your oil. This is 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm gonna put 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. Just put it there. Then you mix them together. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and combine this really good. So we have really good combined ingredients, because you have to make sure that it's combined. You can do this you can make this as a negosyo, di ba? Kung sino yung gusto magnegosyo, pwede nyo itong inegosyo.
Are you done yet?
Not yet. So ayan na, naka-ano talaga siya, naka-mix na siya.
Can I mix it yet?
Kasi kailangan talaga siya i-mix ng maayos. Kasi pag hindi, talagang hindi maganda yung kalalabasan. You can use your hands to mix it. Right now, I don't have to use my hand. So ayan na guys, nakamix na siya. So what we're gonna do now, we put that in here. And we're gonna do, gonna pour some of our sesame seeds here. Just enough. Aside. You can go in here. Then I'm gonna use this to make our stuff. So I'm just gonna get this one. Wait a minute. The secret is I have oil here. I'm gonna put some oil in here so I can put it in my hands. Just a little bit. And then we just have to do this and make it like this. As you can see, it's circle now. It's a bowl, and then you grab that one, you roll that in your sesame seeds, that one. It's perfect. See? So naglagay ako ng flour sa aking hands para hindi siya masyadong sticky. Oh, good job. So ito ginawa ni Michelle. Nagpainit na ako. I heat up some what do you call this, the oil. So we'll just wait for the oil to heat it up, and then while we're doing this, put a little bit of flour para hindi siya masyadong mahirap i-roll. Yan. Yay, we have 3 now. Okay guys, we're going to finish making these bowls so we can do and start frying. Ayan guys, tapos na, nag-ano na tayo ng marami. We have enough to put in our oil to fry. So ayan na guys, ang ating oil is heated up, right, and good. Just have to make sure that it's safe. So, ayan, maglalagay na tayo ng ating binangkal na paluto. So, ganyan lang. So, I'm gonna put probably 4 in there. 5. So, when we have to low the fire, so it's low cook. It's not gonna get burned, but also it's gonna cook inside. Because sometimes it will burn outside and then it's not gonna cook inside. Oh. So just low, and we will be back on that. So as you can see, it's cracking. So that is normal for binangkal. So parang ano lang siya, it's like a donut. Okay, ito na yung binangkal natin, ready na siya. So dapat kasi slow cook siya. Yung ano natin, yung oil dapat and the good hot, and it's not gonna burn outside, but it's gonna cook inside too. It's gonna give crunchy outside and soft inside. It's gonna be fun. So I have the wire rack, so it's gonna go drain all the oil. And we're gonna add more. So I need another one. There we go. Move lang natin siya konti. Yan. They're like a donut. It will float. So, yan. Ito na yung second batch natin na niluto. Yan. Perfect natin na. Binangkal. Masarap po siya. It's really, really good, guys. Everyone can make it. So, sample ingredients. And it's more fun. And also, the sesame seed will give the crunch that we like. You know, we like the crunchy stuff. When it's cooled down a little bit, it will be crunchy. And inside soft. So we call this binangkal. So good. Sarap. The wire rack. So we'll drain the all oil. It's not going to absorb inside of our binangkal. Another one. Okay guys, we'll finish this cooking, and then when we show you how much we made for that 2 cups of flour, it will be a lot. Hi guys, ito na yung binangkal natin. There we go. It's cooked guys. It's very cooked now. Ayan. So, ito yung first natin na niluto. Talagang sobrang crunchy siya. As you can see. Ay! There's the inside. Soft. And then the outside is so crunchy. Soft inside, crunchy outside. So there we go, guys. Binangkal. We call this binangkal. So hope you guys likes it. See you again next in our video. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody.
Bye.